So this is an old access line from a canyon. Pretty dirty, it's got algae or some crap all through it. But anyway, I've got the pull tester right here, so I'll whack it in there and see how strong she is. Alrighty, finally. 15 kilonewton. Okay, second try. About the same as the last time. Bloody finally. Nothing really concerning there at all. Good on the guys for replacing this when they did. Despite appearances, this rope seemed, you know, more or less fine. But that is actually the best time to replace something, because you don't want to replace it when it is actually degraded so much that it's at risk of, you know, failing. Good job for the guys for maintaining the equipment, and good job for Edelrid for making this bloody good rope as well. So anyway, thanks for watching. Scratch yous later.